In this programming exercise, our goal is to implement an array difference function in Python. The function will take two lists as input and return a new list that represents the result of subtracting one list from another. The function should remove all values from the first list that are also present in the second list, while preserving the original order of the elements. Let's examine the problem. As far as I understand, we have to check each element of one set against each element of the other set and keep only the ones we need. To do this, we will need some kind of loop and a place to save the result. Let's start by declaring an empty list where to keep the result. We'll use the loop for to take each element of the set A, so we can do checks with it. Next, we'll use the not in operator to do a pretty serious check. With its help, we will traverse the entire set B and thus find out if the element is present there. If not, we will be able to calmly write the unique element into our result list. So, after we iterate over all the elements of the two sets and record the necessary elements, we will return them as the result of the function. This seemingly simple task requires an understanding of the proper use of loops and checks. Also, I hope you will practice using the in, not in operators. My advice before we part ways is for you to try to solve a few of these problems each day, so that you can learn the language as well as reinforce your programming skills.